Tony Sherrard, and I've been working here at 401 Manufacturing for about a year now, just over. Oh, everybody's trying to grab my tools. I gotta lock my toolbox up. They're just better quality.
Yeah.
Just better quality, that's all. How does this help me? Well, just being able to flick it open and grab the tool, grab the actual Allen wrench that I need real quick. Oh, that's nice, because when I'm actually taking something out of the machine, that thing just grabs it and it doesn't fall down into the conveyor that's down below grabbing all our chips. And not out on the floor, everybody's going after these things. The reason is when you get down into the T6, T7, the smaller Torx, the Wiha ones don't round out. So they're able to, the points stay better, they're just better quality.